Understanding wall bombing, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a unique phrase that you might come across in English, wall bombing. This term is not your everyday English, but knowing phrases like this can really polish your language skills and help you understand native speakers better. Wall bombing refers to the act of covering a large area of a wall with graffiti or street art. It's a term that originates from urban culture and is often associated with the expressive freedom of street artists. It's not just a random scribble here and there. Wall bombing is about making a big, bold statement. This phrase is often used in discussions related to urban art, graffiti culture, and sometimes in the context of political protests. It's important to understand that wall bombing can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context, from being an art form to being considered vandalism. Let's look at how to incorporate this phrase into your English. You might say, the abandoned warehouse was wall bombed with colorful murals, transforming it into a tourist attraction. During the protests, many messages were wall bombed throughout the city, making the public spaces a canvas for expression. That's a wrap on wall bombing. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and adds an extra layer to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar. It's also about culture and expression. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.